Create a sketch, select the top plane, select line, construction line, make a construction line here, okay. Select line again, make a line here with 35 millimeters, a line here with 25 millimeters, make a line here with 40 millimeters, here 10 millimeters, 6 millimeter here 38, and make a line here and here 40 millimeters, and close it here. Go to constraint, select coincident, select this point and this point here. Go to scale dimension. The distance between this line and the midpoint is 60 millimeters. Okay. Let's adjust here. Okay. Scale dimension. The distance here 45 millimeters. Okay. Go to constraint, select coincident. Click here in the construction line and the midpoint. Okay. Go to create, select mirror. Select all this line here. The mirror line is this line here. Press OK. Finish the sketch. Go to extrude. Extrude this 10 millimeters. Operation new body. Press OK. Now go to create again. Select the top plane. Select the circle. Click here in the midpoint. Make a circle with 50 millimeters of diameter. And another one with 32 millimeters. Press OK. Finish the sketch. Go to extrude. Show the body here. Select this profile here. Show the body. Operation join. Extrude this 45 millimeters. Okay. But now we'll make a cut here. Show the sketch 2 again. Extrude. Select the inside circle here. And make a cut here. Press OK. Hide this. Go to create a sketch. Select this face here. Okay. Go to create. Select the project. Include the project. Select this edge here. This edge here. This edge here. This edge. And select this edge here. And press OK. Let me hide this body. Go to modify, select offset, select this line here, offset this 10 millimeters. Okay. Select line, close this sketch here. Make a line here, tangent with the circle, okay. And this line must be perpendicular with this line here. That's okay. Go to trim, cut here and cut here. Okay, finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select this profile here. Show the bodies here. Extrude this 35 millimeters, operation join. 35 millimeters. And press OK. We have this, okay. Now go to fillet. Select this edge here and this edge, this edge and this edge here. This edge. The fillet here is 12 millimeters. Add selection set. The fillet here in these two edges here is 3 millimeters. And add selection set again. The fillet here and here is 6 millimeters. And press OK. We have this, okay. Now go to create a sketch, select this face here, select the circle, Make a circle here with 10 millimeters of diameter, press OK. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between the circle and the midpoint is 23 millimeters. Okay. And the distance between the circle and this point, this distance here, is 63 millimeters. Okay. Now select line, construction line, make a construction line here. Go to mirror, select this circle. The mirror line is this construction line, press OK. You have this. Show the bodies. Finish the sketch and go to Extrude. Select these two circles here and make a cut. Distance all. Press OK. You have this. OK. Now go to create a sketch. Select this face here. Select the circle. Make a circle here with 38 millimeters and another one with 20 millimeters. Okay. Go to constraint, select horizontal, vertical. Click in the midpoint and click in the circle. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between the midpoint and the circle is 56 millimeters. Okay. Now select line. Click in this edge, make a line tangent with the circle. Okay. Go to create and select the project. Select this face here. Press OK. We can hide the body. Okay. Select line, make a line between these 2 points here. Go to create, select arc, 3-point arc. Make an arc here. And make a line here tangent with the circle. And this line must be tangent with the arc. Okay. So click in this line in the arc. Okay. Go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 25 millimeters. Okay. And make sure that the center of this radius is horizontal, vertical constrained with this point. Okay. Finish the sketch. Go to Extrude, show the bodies. Okay. Click in this profile here. Extrude this 10 millimeters, -10, operation join, press OK. Show the sketch 6 again. Oh, sketch 5, sorry. Go to Extrude, select this profile here. The directions, 2 sides. To this side here, 3 millimeters. The side 1. And the side 2 is 13 millimeters. Operation join, press OK. Hide the sketch. We have this. Okay. Now go to create and select mirror. The object type is the features, and the features is the last 2 extrude that we made. And the mirror is the front plane, the right plane, sorry. And press OK. Here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more. Bye bye.